everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about the high-protein, low-carb diet. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another video about the high-protein, low-carb diet? Yawn. But trust me, this video will be different because I won't bore you with a bunch of science and statistics. Instead, I'll be talking about the real-world benefits of following this diet in a fun and informative way, like how it can help you lose weight, improve your mood, and boost your energy, and even make you more attractive. So if you're interested in learning more about the high-protein, low-carb diet in a fun and informative way, then stick around, because this video will be hilarious. At least I hope so. Benefits of the high-protein, low-carb diet. Weight loss. The high-protein, low-carb diet can help you lose weight by making you feel fuller for longer. Improved mood. The high-protein, low-carb diet can help improve your mood by increasing serotonin levels, a hormone that plays a role in mood. Increased energy. The high-protein, low-carb diet can help increase your energy by providing your body with the fuel it needs. Challenges of the high-protein, low-carb diet. Avoiding favorite foods. One of the biggest challenges of the high-protein, low-carb diet is resisting your favorite foods. For example, if you love eating rice, you'll have to avoid it. Can be expensive. The high-protein, low-carb diet can be a bit expensive. However, you can save money by cooking your own meals. Before I started the high-protein, low-carb diet, I was always feeling tired and sluggish. But now, I have the energy of a child. I even wake up in the middle of the night to play video games. I used to be addicted to sugary snacks, but now, I don't even crave them anymore. In fact, I've started to love healthy snacks. They taste better and keep me fuller for longer. One of the biggest challenges of the high-protein, low-carb diet is resisting your favorite foods. For example, I used to love eating rice, but now I have to avoid it. But I don't too much regret it because I've already learned how to cook rice that tastes delicious. The high-protein, low-carb diet can be a bit expensive. However, if you're smart, you can save money by cooking your own meals. For example, I used to buy pre-cut beef, but now I buy a whole cow and cut it up myself. It's much cheaper. The high-protein, low-carb diet doesn't just make you lose weight, improve your mood, and boost your energy. It can also make you more attractive. How does it do that? Because it will make you more confident, and confidence is one of the most attractive things about a person. So, if you want to be more attractive, start the high-protein, low-carb diet today. The high-protein, low-carb diet isn't an easy diet, but if you're committed, you'll see results. So, if you're ready to change your life, then start the high-protein, low-carb diet today. Well, that's it for the video about the high-protein, low-carb diet. I hope you found it informative and entertaining. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. See you. Bye-bye.